welcome to the channel. I have no clue what I'm gonna do today, but I do know a couple things we're gonna do. I need to walk the property a little bit and see how many cinder blocks I have, because I'm not gonna buy them when the shed comes if I've already got them. So I want to kind of go around and take an inventory. I ain't doing no work today. I'm wore out. Let's check on these puppies first. I don't know what they're doing. Well, there's one. What are we watching today? Uh-oh. Goodness gracious. What are you watching, Lily? What is he supposed to be? Well, he sure ain't handsome. Oh, goodness gracious, Lily. You're so silly. That's a funny looking dog. They don't like having all them uniforms on. He don't look like he minds. I gotta get one of them for Waldo. Oh man. Would you guys want some stuff like that? Okay, I gotta go walk around the yard and see if we can find some blocks. Alright. Oh man. Why did I give them a TV? Don't you start your hooting, because it ain't time. It ain't time. It's only 1 o'clock or so. You know when you eat. You want to come with me and hunt for cinder blocks? And I ain't talking about those blocks. Them blocks are useless. If you watch Dogman video, I kind of go over where I'm putting the building, why. I have looked at many different locations that I could put it, but I don't know. I would not mind it in their yard, though. What did you get? What have you tore up in there? A jug? That was the water jug I was using to get you guys water with, and you tore it up. You already have jugs out here. Oh, he has been on some behavior lately. Now, back when I had Wally, he was terrified of storms, and he would try to get out, and I'd have to get these blocks. Okay, there's one. There's two. And there's a third one. I don't think those are blocking in the holes that were there. I think there's another piece of one there. So I got 3. That's probably all I'm going to need on the one end. There's 4. Finally cut those weeds down. I never moved them. There's 5, so I don't need to buy any cinder blocks. I got plenty of them. All right. I think I know where there might be some more. I also want to go look at the back side of this other shed and see if it's blocked up. I don't even think we're going to be able to see in there. But we'll go. There's another one right there we could use. So that's what, 5? Oh, there's more here. 6, 7, 8. But I'm going to need to get some of these 4-inch flat ones that are solid. We looked at those this morning at the hardware store. They're like $2.69 a piece. And let's go back here. What a mess, man. I got to get this taken care of. Yeah, see, I think they got blocks in the back. There ain't no way to see in there. Oh, well, heck with that plan. You notice I didn't paint the rest of the shed, just the front. Man, that paint's expensive. And them things suck it up. I ain't kidding you. You can go through, it like almost took a whole gallon to paint that side of the house right there. So this, yeah, we got enough. This shed's got 3 skids on it. But I got it. I'm not going to talk about that shed on this video. We did that before. Well, there's wattles. Guys, there's just some days I don't have anything going on. So, oh, look at this. There's 3 more, 4 more. So I got plenty of these blocks here. No reason to go buy any. Plenty. I just need to buy the flat ones. What do you think, Waddles? Can I have some of your... I'll find something else to put there to block the fence. I don't think they can get out of this anyway because I got all these rebarbs nailed in there. Yeah. Alright, now I'm in the shed. I'm going to see how much I got of electrical wiring. Don't look like none of those are long enough to do anything with. I got PEX. And I may run like, they actually have service wire that's thinner than this. So I may go with that. Hey, there's a winder. Plenty of PEX. I'm going to jump on this here in a little while, and I'm going to go ride down the road, because now that that festival's over, I mean, I've only rode this thing twice, so I'd like to go out and go for a ride. Yeah. And I still have yet to go through these tubs. That's coming up. Probably no sense in doing that until I get the new building. That way, when I get the new building, that's out of here. That's out of here. That table's out of here. And I'll be building some workbenches in there. I don't know. I don't want them hogging up the whole place because I want room in there. But I may just keep it on that big table there. See, that's the problem I was having. I mean, if I ever want to do a project, I got to drag all this stuff out. And I've been doing it 10 years. Got to drag it all out and set it up and then put it away. And then if it rains, you know. And that table saw here, I don't think that works anymore. I don't know why I'm hanging on to it. So I need to buy a new table saw. They're not too crazy expensive. I don't need to get those skill ones. You know, that thing built this house. So I'll just get another cheap one. I'm not going to spend the money on a DeWalt. Those things aren't cheap. And let's see, I think I may have to mow one more time, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that battery in there for now. But what I do is I'll charge them up. And I fully charge them on my charger, and then I bring them in the house and store them in the house. And they'll last me a while. The last one lasted 5 years. Let's see, I bought this in 2018. So yeah, I just replaced it this year. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 5 years, 4 years. And like this will be out of here. That'll go to the new building until I buy a bigger air compressor, which I don't really need. That's plenty because I don't do a lot of stuff with air anymore. Maybe my nail guns, stuff like that. And some of the walls in there will have some pegboard, you know, to hang things up. There's going to be tools in there. So we'll see when we get it. I got all kinds of ideas. Thought I wasn't going to talk about the building. And that's an option temporarily, is to run these heavy-duty extension cords. But I do have an available outlet out there. Okay, quit talking about the stupid building. You girls got a trail worn down there too. You guys take the same route every time. Every time. You guys been having a good day in this nice weather. I bet you have. Yeah, she's a good girl. You were hooting all night long. You and her. You guys were on a roll yesterday. Yeah, you just can't pet one head. The other one's got to be shoved in there too. Yeah, got to give them equal pettings. What in the name of Rin Tin Tin is going on in here? What's all the barking about? Oh, you're watching TV. Yeah. I don't know sometimes. Sometimes I don't know what you're barking at. But that's what you was barking at. Oh, there's always kitties, you guys. I think you guys like kitties more than dogs. I do. I think you do. You guys getting hungry? We're going to eat here in a bit. You know what we're having today? Chicken. Yeah. Chicken. Smelly kitties. What else did you drag out? You got one of my socks. Where'd you get that? You brought your blanket out here? Look at this mess you made with these jugs. No, that's an old jug. It's been out here. Why did you decide to tear it up? And what is that? That don't look like a jug. What are you doing lately, boy? You know you're trouble. You are. You're silly. You can get you a pair of sunglasses. Yeah. Get you a pair of puppy dog sunglasses. Uh-oh. I've had a brainstorm, guys. Remember when I've always been talking about building a little cabin right there? Put that building there. That'd be cool. No, that'd be hard to get in here. Really hard. So whatever goes there is going to have to be built there. What them cows doing all sitting there under the tree. Moo! Moo! Moo moo! I am not a good cow impressionist. I had a tailgater. I don't know where she went. Alright. I have been walking all over this place. And I changed my mind on the building. I think. Here's my thinking, guys. Alright, right here we've got the screen patio, right? Now the only reason I said I didn't want to put the building here was because I didn't know where the water lines ran. Okay? But actually right in here in the middle, probably starting about here. Yeah, it's going to go over my French drain, but that ain't going to hurt nothing. This is really flat up here. And if the water lines break, which are PVC, you know what I'll do? I'll just dig a new ditch and run PEX. Just shut the well off, dig me a new ditch, run PEX. Who cares where the line is? I haven't had any problem in all these years. And it's probably most likely right up there running straight out, because they're not going to head straight to the well because the tree roots are all in the way. So they would have headed straight that way and then probably elbowed through the center of those trees, if those trees were even there in 1980. And they do grow fast. I imagine those trees were there, but we don't know. I wasn't here, so, and the guy that built the place is dead, so I can't ask him. But I'm thinking putting it long ways right there, having the doors facing out, or actually probably face the doors that way, build the carport onto the back of the building, and it's nice and flat here, so that may be the location. And it'll be spaced enough from the other house, it wouldn't be bad, but that way the carport would work really well. Do you agree, Miss Tilly? She doesn't know. She says as long as it's something I can sleep in under. Yeah, let's go up here and look at it. I didn't mean to talk about the building on this channel, guys, but it's happened. I don't know what else to do. Right there. Right there. With the doors facing me. Yep. And that way, you know, I need lumber I want to bring in there, you know, it's real easy to bring it in. So that's what I'm going to do, man. This is still a good location, but that's better. Yeah, I'm going to get the tape measure. Let's get the tape measure and measure it out real quick. Are you gonna hold this tape measure for me? Where'd it go? Did that scare you? Alright, we gotta measure out 20 feet. Let's see. It's gonna go this way, that way it won't block my kitchen window. The French drain is here. Now that's fine. That ain't gonna hurt that French drain. Ain't gonna have that much weight in one spot. Alright, let's see, about there. Damn, how big is this thing? I got a bunch of mounds here. Here's 20 feet. I think that'll work good. 20 feet. Yeah. And then 10 feet. Yeah, man, it gets a lot of water in here though. I don't know. That's 10 feet. Tough decision, guys, because wherever it goes, it's staying. I can't get it moved again. It would be difficult. I have to do some more thinking about it. I'll let you know. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Because I gotta feed these monsters. Don't tell them. Well, I had to come back one more time. Man, it's hard trying to figure out where to put this thing, but I'm saying this spot here, but the problem is it gets too much water in here, and it's just, man, it's all unlevel up there, so it always ends up being that spot there. So that's where it's going to go. Has to be. If it wasn't for them trees, I'd put it back there. But and that's right where the weather goes through, so it's not a very good spot either. But yeah, after it's all said and done, I always come back to this spot. I don't think it would look good in here. I like this openness in here. If I want to put a carport up or something later, or maybe another building, who knows, I can do it. But if I put it here, I may not have a carport, but I can build a little greenhouse off of it, and that's perfect right here, because this is right where the sun goes. So that's a possibility. And you got two sides, the two ends and the back you can build off of, lean-tos, whatever. Build one, put my lawnmowers and stuff in. So in the end, this is where it will be going. I can't find any other better spots. Yep, it'll be in the way a little bit of the view, but you know what? I'll walk around the building and I'll get the view that way. We got a sunbathing walrus out there. Are you the walrus? The Waldo walrus? Yeah, you guys love this weather. This is about when you start getting real goofy. Yeah, because the weather makes you goofy. You're already going goofy. I gotta come in there. No, I got you guys water a couple hours ago. Need to haul these sticks out of here and that pokeweed. It'll rot. But yeah, looking at the grass, I don't think I'm gonna be needing to mow again. Not at all. This stuff's I like to leave it a little long for the winter. I don't like it cut real short. Well, I don't think this is gonna grow much. Yeah, it's not even close to needing mowed. Do need to get over there with that big weed whacker when I got the blade on it and just get that cemetery back. But a couple nights of freezing, not a lot of that'll go away. All right, guys, I'm going away for sure this time. Hey, man, I was 3 minutes short, so I had to come do another clip. This ain't easy. Happy trails.